A nonprofit law firm launched in Charlotte is now focused on restoring rights for people who have been in prison, and they have been for some time. Organizers say recent attempts to limit voting rights make this push even more important. WCNC Charlotte's Julie Kay joins us now to show us how they're seeking solutions to voting barriers.
The Second Chance Federation will help formerly incarcerated people with things like getting their driver's license back, reducing fines, and restoring their ability to vote. They also have a much larger mission to change policy that their executive director tells me is personal.
19 million people in the U.S. have prior felony convictions.
If that was a state, it would be our 5th largest state in the country.
Daryl Atkinson understands what that's like.
I spent almost 4 years in prison in the Alabama Department of Correction in the mid-90s.
He's now an experienced attorney, and as of Friday, the executive director of the Second Chance Federation.
Movement leaders from the past.
Pushing for stronger rights for people who have been incarcerated. In North Carolina, people with felony convictions regain their voting rights only after they've completed their sentence, probation or parole, and all associated fines. Helping reduce those fees is one of the firm's services.
It's really a regressive tax.
But Atkinson says it shouldn't have to be a hurdle at all, and is pushing for an end to those fines and a policy change that would allow people on community supervision to vote.
And if the court has deemed them and society has deemed them suitable enough to be here living amongst us, they should have a civic voice.
It's a challenge he wants to take nationally, at a time he says is more important than ever.
Imagine if those folks were full participants in our democracy and had the ability to engage and weigh in on public policies that impact their lives.
In Southwest Charlotte, Julie Kay, WCNC Charlotte.